Hello guys, so today our topic is about how smart investors are using AI to make the better decision. Okay, so let's get started. So imagine having an assistant that never gets tired. Just imagine this thing. One that can read thousands of the research papers, analyze the market trend, compare companies and even point out risk you might have missed. That's exactly what AI can do. But here's the problem, most people are using AI completely the wrong way. They simply ask like which stock should I buy? Or what's the next company that will make me rich? That's not how successful investors use the AI. Instead, they use AI to become better thinker, better researcher, and better decision makers. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact three-step framework that you can start using right now. So without wasting time, let's jump on it. The first step is to using AI to find opportunities before everyone else does. Most people only invest after a trend becomes popular. By the time everyone is talking about it, like news channels are covering it, social media is full of it, and in many cases, the biggest opportunities has already passed. Instead of asking AI what to invest in, ask it to help you understand an entire industry. Like you can ask the AI what like who builds the infrastructure behind AI, who supplies the hardware, right? These are the things that you can ask. Now let's move on to the second part. That is, this is probably the most valuable thing AI can do. Challenge your investment idea. Many investors spend all their time like searching for reason why they are right, but very few spend their time looking for reasons why they could be wrong here. And that's exactly why many people lose money. Whenever you are thinking about investing, ask AI something like, "I'm planning to invest in this company, or just give me the strongest reason why this investment could fail." Okay. Now tell it to be honest, tell it to be just crucial, no biases, no motivation, only facts and the risk. Maybe the company has strong competitors maybe, but maybe customer demand is slowing down. Maybe new regulation could impact future. It can be anything. Okay. So once AI gets you this risk, don't ignore them. Research every single one. Okay. And if you still believe in your investment after understanding the downside, you will still feel much more confident moving forward. Remember always, great investment isn't about finding the perfect opportunity. It's about like avoiding bad decisions. This is what I think. Okay. I hope you completely understand this thing that like how it actually works. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the third part, and the third part is all about like never invest in something just because AI suggested. See, always understand why you are investing in. If you don't understand how business makes money, how it grows, or like what risk it faces, don't invest just because an AI chatbot sounded confident. No, AI like use AI to speed up your research, use AI to challenge your assumption, use AI to organize the information, but always let your own judgment make the final decision. The investor who succeed in the future won't be the one who blindly follow the AI. This is what I think, and that's the truth also. That's the real advantage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button because it's really helpful. This channels reach more people. Okay, if you share this video and if you like this, I hope you completely understand the three practical ways. Now go ahead and just start implementing. Okay, see you in the next video.